Another new coin, a COINBASE CIVIC. Got you on the weekly so I can see the overall pattern. So basically, y'all don't see, I should have written it out, but basically this is the M right here, and I can see the W. This is kind of confusing pattern. I know y'all wouldn't really understand it, but I can see it. So basically, when we come up here, this is level 1 because the 100 EMA on the weekly finally popped up, and of course had to rush down and tap that thing. So it tapped it up. It's also another pattern within here too. Also the M right there to the W. And come down here, so we're in level 1 in this pattern, and we're in level 1 in the overall pattern because it came down and touches 100. And as you can see right here, it's also a bull flag formation forming right here on the weekly. So we're going to get our next move on up, and that's going to be testing all-time highs. Because y'all can see where the major support level is. It's the exact same support level that where it started off at. Made that first jump, boom. Resistance came back up, second jump, broke through. Fell all the way down, had to grab everybody bread. That's what that happened, what they did right there with that. But as you can see, that's a major support level anyways. And you can see it broke one time right here, to complete this actual pattern that's on a smaller time frame. So it broke up here, and then you see exactly where it stopped at, the other line right here, right on, exactly on top of it right there. So this is our next major, resistance level. But anyways, it's been tested one time, so it's gonna come back up here and test it again. So I'll just say this is $1.04 range. So that's where our next move at, and we'll be looking for on the weekly. Well, this coin to try to go up to $1.04, but it will retrace after the fact, and it will come right back down here to around 60. I'll say around more up here around 73 cents, and then it's gonna make its next move up to test the all-time highs, which will be around $1.72. This is on the weekly now. On the daily, that's just the overall outlook. On the daily, another pattern right here. You can see it basically up closer. The M right here. I know the pattern from all angles and all ranges now. So, anyways, we see the M right here. See the W. Boom. Come back up here to break out to confirm that this is the pattern. They're gonna play it out. So they come back down and bounce off the EMAs. This is 3 hits to the low, 1, 2, 3. So it should be on the way up, and we should come, up here. Already been tested one time, so this is, yeah. I just keep it simple. Say it's 95 cents. That's what we're looking at on a closer time frame. On a daily, is 95 cents. Once we come up here to start our level 2 rise, but we will get a retracement to use this as support. So we will break through and go higher, but we will come back down to tap it one more time for support to confirm a level 2 rise on the daily, because we have the pattern right here. Also, it's another pattern here, and that's another pattern. So yeah, so we're looking for a nice little move, but this is the daily, and that's just keeping it shorter. Because all to the shorter the time frame, the goal, the target goals will be much shorter also. And you can clearly see right here, right at the top of here, because it's already been tested. So that's 67 cent range. That's our next level on the 4 hourly before any kind of retracement. But I believe that it has to come back down here and tap this 20 EMA one more time though, and then make its move on up here to test this one more time, come back down, use it as a support around 60 cents, and then make its way on up. But yeah, anyways, anything that I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.